The present simple, positive. Pattern, I, you, we, they plus eat. He, she, it plus eats. Examples. I eat 3 times a day. He eats 3 times a day. You eat 3 times a day. They eat 3 times a day. She eats 3 times a day. We eat 3 times a day. It eats 3 times a day. I drink coffee every morning. We drink coffee every morning. She drinks coffee every morning. I work from home. He works from home. They work from home. I study English every day. You study English every day. She studies English every day. I like chocolate. My friend likes chocolate. My friends like chocolate. I play tennis on weekends. My sister and I play tennis on weekends. My dad plays tennis on weekends. I watch TV in the evening. My family and I watch TV in the evening. My family watches TV in the evening. I read books before bed. My mom reads books before bed. My uncle reads books before bed. I listen to music every day. Sarah. Sarah listens to music every day. Sarah's cousin. Sarah's cousin listens to music every day. I go for a walk after work. We. We go for a walk after work. My coworker. My coworker goes for a walk after work. My neighbors. My neighbors go for a walk after work. I cook dinner for my family. My mom. My mom cooks dinner for our family. Tom's wife. Tom's wife cooks dinner for her family. My sister and I. My sister and I cook dinner for our family. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. My brother. My brother wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning. My parents and I. My parents and I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I drive to work every day. My dad. My dad drives to work every day. My coworkers. My coworkers drive to work every day. I exercise in the evening. My son. My son exercises in the evening. My friends and I. My friends and I exercise in the evening. I check my emails in the morning. My boss. My boss checks his emails in the morning. My coworkers. My coworkers check their emails in the morning. I clean my room on weekends. My sister. My sister cleans her room on weekends. My brother and I. My brother and I clean our room on weekends. Keep speaking English every day. Practice makes perfect.